Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in at Outlook. Office. Using your Microsoft or work account. This authenticates mail, calendar, and contacts. Once signed in, make sure two-step verification is enabled so your account stays secure. Now open the inbox and click New Message to compose. Add recipients into /cc/bcc and attach files up to 50 MB. You should also confirm your preferred display density and reading pane layout before moving on so the interface matches. Once your inbox is open, organize by creating folders and subfolders and dragging messages or using Move To for consistent filing. You should set up inbox rules to auto-sort newsletters or automated notices and use Sweep to remove or archive bulk senders. This reduces clutter daily. Make sure to use search with filters or advanced query syntax when you need precise results, and pin or flag important messages so they remain visible at the top of your list as you work. You finish messages by adding a signature and using delay delivery when needed. Make sure to save drafts. Outlook Web syncs them across devices. Next, sync with your phone using the Outlook app or add the account via Exchange/IMAP so calendars and contacts stay consistent. Finally, if mail doesn't send or folders stop updating, check Microsoft Service status, clear browser cache, and re-enter credentials to re-authenticate. This single step resolves most sync and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.